gonna make your booty look like a peach, girl. Everyone's gonna be like, hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a rounder booty workout. Why am I doing this with my hands? It's to emphasize how round and plump it's gonna be. Johnny told me that I should show off my office chair, but really he's too lazy to lower the tripod, so I'm doing the intro from my office chair today. So for today's workout, we are going to be using ankle weights and a resistance band. Using weight is crucial, especially if you want to grow muscles. So we are going to be doing some exercises that target all three of the main glute muscles to really have a nice balanced booty. You know what else is important to muscle growth? Not just using weight, but also making sure you get enough protein in your diet. My favorite protein supplement is a protein bar, which is amazing, especially the one from Woman's Best because it is so freaking delicious. It's got 15 grams of protein, tons of fiber. It is super convenient and easy to take with you on the go to have after a workout, and it just tastes so freaking good. Woman's Best also has tons of little protein snacks. They even have a protein chocolate, like a chocolate bar. They've got a protein spread that tastes just like Nutella. They even have protein chips, and this is what I'm trying this month. I'm ordering the protein ice cream. It's kiwi flavor, which looks so good, so refreshing, especially on a hot summer day, which is perfect for summer. But just making little changes like this, replacing the foods that you usually eat with more protein-rich foods with these protein snacks, a little bit goes a long way, especially when you do it consistently. And yeah, protein is important because it helps your muscles recover, it helps them repair themselves, and it helps with just general muscle growth. So if you want to get those booty gains, you better start eating that protein chocolate, girl. They are also having a bomb summer sale, okay? Make sure you take advantage of this sale. It starts today, so as soon as you watch this video, get your booty over there because you can get up to 40% off on the supplements, which is just insane. And you get free shipping on orders that are over $79 US. Now remember, this 40% only applies to the sports nutrition and the supplements, not the activewear. But if you want to get those booty gains, girl, stock up on that protein, especially those protein bars. I'm not kidding, they are so good. If you would like to shop the supplements, the link is in my description. It would mean the world to me if you shop through my link. I don't earn any commission or anything, but tracking the sales helps me continue my partnership with Woman's Best, which allows me to keep creating these free workout videos and free content just for you guys. So make sure you go ahead and go to the link below before all the best items sell out, because when they have a huge sale like this, the things sell out super duper fast. So don't sleep on this. Believe me, you'll regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and boom, turn on that little bell so you get notified of my videos and we can keep working out together. Okay, hit that bell. Do it. Do it. So let's go ahead and get into the workout. Make sure you go ahead and do a quick warm-up / glute activation. I will put it up on screen. Just something to get your body moving, get your glutes ready, and then we're gonna go into the first exercise. So the first exercise, you don't need any equipment. We're gonna go ahead and get down on all fours on the floor, and we are doing bent knee circles, 15 on each side. Okay, so for this one, this is actually a new one. I haven't done it before for you guys, like in the video. So you're gonna bend at the knee like this. You're gonna go up, and then you're gonna go out. So do a circle with your knee, come back in. So we're gonna be doing 15 on each side. So go up, back down. So try to keep the rest of your body still. So don't let the other hip move too much. Most of the motion should be coming from your glutes. This also helps you with stretching and opening up the hips. So keep your back straight, your core tight. Oh my god, I already lost count. All right, I think we're at 10, 5 more. And 15. Now let's go to the other side. So when you go up, make sure you really go high enough that your glute feels it and it's squeezing. Other side, let's go 15. Let's go. This is 10. Oh, you can feel the burn on this one. And 15. All right, so now we're going to be doing the same thing but reversing the direction. So the first one we did, we were going out like this. Now we're going to start going up like this and back down. Let's do 15. Ooh. This is 10. Ooh, my hip is cracking. 5 more. And 15. Now let's do the other side. Ready? Go up and back. And this is 10, 5 more. Whew, the burn, it burns so good. Oh my God. Yeah. All right, we got this. And last one. Wowzers. Oh, for using like no weight, that one burns like a mother. All right, let's go ahead and get our ankle weights on for the next exercise. All right, so we've got our ankle weights on. We're gonna be doing some ankle weight kickbacks. This is just a nice, good, stable exercise. I include it in almost all my booty workouts because it's just so damn good. So, kicking out your leg behind you, you're gonna go up, squeeze at the top, come back down. So try to keep your core tight. So bring your belly button kind of into your spine, not too much like a vacuum, but just, you know, don't like let it all hang out, you know, try to keep it like this. Back should be straight. And when you go up, try not to open up your hips to the side like this. So try to keep them facing to the ground and just keeping your hands here. Make sure the weight is equally distributed. Go up, squeeze, back down. Doing a little squeeze at the top of the glutes will just give it the extra oomph that it needs, you know? Let's go up, back down. So we're doing 15 on each side. Woo, keep going. Squeeze. This is 10, just 5 more. Whew. And 15. All right, other side. Ready? Go up, back down. Okay, keep going all the way up. Squeeze your glutes. Keep your hips facing down. Let's go. Come on, we're at 10. 5 more. Ooh. Almost there. And 15. All right, take a little break if you need it. Next, we're doing kick outs. So it's kind of like a similar exercise, but this time we're kicking a little diagonal and to the side, so it's not straight back. So put your leg out behind you, and now move it so that you're kind of diagonal. So for this one, sometimes it helps to actually get on one of your elbows. Gives you like a better balance, I guess. This is gonna target the glute muscle that's right by the top of your glutes. So ready? Go up, back down. Remember, keep your back straight. Also play around with the positioning of your hip here. So sometimes it might work better for you to be a little forward. Sometimes it might work better for you to be a little back. What matters the most is that you really feel it in your glutes. We're on 8. So the more that you feel it in your glutes, the more you're actually working the muscle and the better results you will have. And you're not here to waste your time, neither am I. So we really want to do the most effective thing possible. Whew. 2 more. I think I did too many for this one. Okay, other side. Oh, and for this one, make sure you flex your leg. Should have said that in the beginning, but I feel like pointing it, you don't get the same kind of feeling as when you flex your muscles. So, ready? Go up, back down. Squeeze the top. Keep going. You're on 6. And 10, just 5 more. Keep going, you got this. Oh, our booty's gonna look so snatched. Come on, let's go. Just 2 more. And 15. Oh my God, it hurts. It hurts so good. All right, now we've got one more exercise with the ankle weights, and then we've got the last exercise with clamshell with the resistance band. So just hang in there. We're almost at the end. So next up we've got donkey kicks. I love this one because it helps kind of like lift your booty. And I feel like lifting it just helps it give it much more of a round shape. You know what I mean? Just kind of like gets it up there. So for the donkey kicks, I don't know why they're called that. It's a very strange name. But you can go ahead and get on your elbows. It gives you more range of motion. You're gonna bend at the knee and you're gonna kick straight up with your heel flex as if you're pressing something into the ceiling. So imagine that you're really trying to press through with your heel, come back down. The more you try to send the energy up through the heel, the more you'll feel it in your glutes. So don't be pointing your toes like this. It's just gonna go straight to your quads. So we're trying to grow the booty here. So flex your foot, go up, back down. Try to squeeze the top as well, like squeeze for a second. Let's do 15 total. Come on, let's go. Keep flexing. 5 more. And 15. Whew. Wow, I'm sweating like crazy. All right, now let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, ready? Bend at the knee. Remember to flex your foot the whole way through. Go up, back down. Your back straight. Oh my God. Keep going. 5 more to go. We're almost at the end. Flex your foot. And come back down. Whew. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take these ankle weights off. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on the resistance band for the last exercise, which is a clamshell. This one really targets the gluteus minimus, I think it is. The one that's like right in between, like right in the middle of your other 2 glute muscles, and that kind of helps it round out just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and get down on the ground, and this is a very nice comfortable position, but trust me, you're gonna be feeling the burn. So try to make sure that your resistance bands aren't too close to your hips, because then that makes it too easy. So the closer they are to your knees, the better. So you're gonna go up to do a clamshell, come back down. Holy crap, this hurts. Go up, back down. So we're doing 15 on each side. Make sure your feet stay together. I caught you this time. Keep going, we're at 6. We're at 10, 5 more. Try to make sure this bottom leg stays on the ground. And 15. Whew. Let's switcheroo. Oh, I'm so tired. Let's switch over to the other side. Come this way. Okay. So, ready? Go up, back down. Really make sure you're focusing on using your glute muscle to open up your legs. Oh my gosh. 10, 5 more. All the way up, let's go. And 15. Woo! That felt good. Alright guys, so that was today's rounder booty workout. If you really want to get the full workout in and you really want some results, I would suggest repeating this workout 2 more times, so you can do it for like 3 times total, and also adding in some compound exercises. So if you can go to the gym and you can use some weights, doing some deadlifts, some squats, some lunges, things like that, just to like really target your legs as a whole. Because for example, in deadlifts and squats, you can go a lot heavier than these ankle weights, and even though you're using many different muscles, it's still good to just like mix it up and do different things. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this workout. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys next time.